This is the zero point 0.1 Solana physical time capsule coin, part of the Precision Struck series. Each coin is struck with exacting detail, giving you the feel of classic minting combined with the future of blockchain. Every piece carries the denomination and branding as a one-of-one collectible, a true blend of heritage, minting, craft, and digital finance. On the back, a tamper-evident hologram conceals your private key. The QR code you see is the coin's public address, ready for loading and verification. Funding the coin is simple. Scan the QR code with your phone to pull up the address instantly. No typing, no errors. In your wallet or exchange app, paste in the address. Choose the amount of Solana you'd like to send, 0.1 Sol, and confirm. Within moments, the funds are secured inside your time capsule. You can check the balance at any time by scanning the QR code again and viewing the blockchain. Once loaded, your coin is ready for gifting, storage, or display. When the time comes to redeem, peel the hologram to reveal the hidden key. For Solana, this is a 12-word mnemonic passphrase, not a single private key string. Here's the difference. A private key can be swept once. A mnemonic passphrase, however, gives permanent access to the wallet until funds are moved. That's why it's critical not to share the phrase and to transfer your Solana into a fresh wallet after redemption. For Solana, I recommend importing the phrase into the Phantom wallet, a trusted and user-friendly option. From there, you can easily send your funds onward. Each key pair is generated offline on my personal air-gapped computer, never connected to the internet and with no copies kept. Every coin is one of one, precision struck, hand-assembled, and sealed with trust you can see. Your Solana sealed in time, Finite by Design.